My dearest brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, Moon Technologies is very proud to introduce to you its newly launched product of Al-Qalam Al-Qari Al-Quran Al-Kareem, or the Quran Read Pen with word-by-word tilawa and printing. Al-Qalam Al-Qari Al-Quran Al-Kareem, or the Quran Read Pen, is our newly launched product that is actually designed and manufactured to serve as the best and the most ideal tool for learning proper Quran tajweed and tilawa, in addition also to learning Arabic language, daily adhkar and supplications, dua, and it also comes with a Sahih Bukhari book and a book for Hajj and Umrah. The new product, Quran Read Pen, comes in a very nice gift package that is nicely wrapped. At the face side of the front side of the package, we show the product image. This is the Quran Read Pen, which is actually has a very nice ergonomic design, so that you feel nice. It feels nice in your hand while using it. And the other side of the package, it lists the main features of the Quran Read Pen, which is actually based on the touch and listen technology. So basically, you use the pen to touch on anywhere on the Mus'haf or the books that come with the pen, and then the audio file of that verse or that surah or that juz or even that Quranic word would come out automatically from or off the device. Also, the package, or this side of the package, lists the 20 sheikhs that we have, full Quran recitations of 20 qaris, all beautiful voices that suit all the preferences and tastes of the Quranic recitation. On the other side, we also list the 20 languages that we support in our Quran Read Pen in audio translation of the Quran, and these languages extend or go from the Kurdish language, French, Azerbaijani, Uzbek language, Urdu, Kazakh, Persian, Dari, Tamil language, Deutsch, Malayalam, Pashto, English, Russian, Somali language. I think the translation is done by Sheikh Ulum. Also the Bahasa Indonesian language, Espanol, Malayo, and Bengali language. There are also, I think there are also 6 other languages that can be found on our website for download. Other very important feature that we have for this Quran Read Pen is the well-known 1-year warranty certificate logo. So basically all our products, including the Quran Read Pen, are warranted for 1 year. That covers any manufacturing problem, whether it is in the hardware or the software. So we take care of the inspection, repair, and replacement at no charge on your side. And the other face of the package here, it lists the set of 4 books that come in addition to the Quran Al-Kareem, that you can use the pen with any of those books. So you can see the Qaida Nuraniya book, which is a very famous book for learning Arabic language, prayers, daily adhkar, and also it has some selected surahs of the Quran. The next book is Sahih Al-Bukhari, so you can point at any hadith, and it comes the sanad and the matn of the hadith would come out automatically and will be played by the pen. Then next is the talking dictionary that supports different languages, as you can see here. And then the last book here we have so far is Al-Hajj and Umrah, which is a very useful book because it plays the audio files or the audio pronunciation of the different Hajj and Umrah adhkar, like the Niyya, the Talbiyah, and all du'as that you would say, for example, when you go to the Masjid al-Haram and you make a sa'i between Safa and Marwa and so on. Now let's open the package. Bismillah. As I said, it's a very nicely wrapped gift package. Okay, here you can see the pen with the different functional buttons on the pen, with also a built-in speaker, and also does support a stereo earphone. You can also store more MP3 files and audio translations and recitations on the pen using the USB. And here's the optical sensor at the tip of the pen, where actually it detects the code in the Quran or the different Islamic books that come within the package. In addition to that, we can see a universal charger, and I mean by universal that you can use it anywhere you go. So whether it's North America or outside North America, it supports volt ranges between 110 volts to 240 or 220 volts. So basically it's a travel friendly unit or device. It comes with the round pins, one for the charger. It also comes with the flat pins, so to suit the North American electrical system. In addition to that, we see a stereo earphone. So there are two modes of using the pen. You can use the built-in speaker, and it has a crystal clear sound and very strong sound. In addition to that, you can also use the stereo earphone for some privacy. And then there is a USB cable that you can use to charge the pen. So this is also a second or another way of charging the pen in addition to using the AC charger. So you can use the USB to charge the device right away from your computer. You can also use the USB to copy MP3 files or citations that we make them available for downloads through our website. Now the printed material. So this is the Holy Quran. It comes fully Quran printed nicely in a very nice design. In addition to that, we also have four other books. We have the Hajj and Umrah book. We have Al-Qaida Nuraniya book. And we have a talking dictionary or Qamus al-Natiq. And lastly, we have the book of Sahih al-Bukhari with voice. Don't forget also this small surah index that you can use also with the pen. Basically, you don't need to carry the Mus'haf or any of those books in order to listen to the Quran. All what you need is actually to select your preference or your choice of the qari, the sheikh that you want to listen to the Quran in his voice, and then you point the pen at the any surah out of the 114 surah that exists in this surah index or the Fihras surah, and then the recitation, the audio recitation of this surah, and or the translation. You can also pick any language to hear the translation of this surah from the pen, and then you just point at the pen, and so you point at the surah, and then you will hear the recitation and the translation of that surah come out automatically from the pen. There is also a small a brief user manual. The pen is very intuitive, very easy to use, very interactive. You can actually, all Muslims of all ages, whether they are kids or they are adults, they can easily use the pen. It's very easy to use and very friendly. Alhamdulillah.